Hi everyone, welcome to Amy Learns to Cook. On the show today, we're going to do an unboxing of the Shamrock oval pressure cooker. What really interested me about this pressure cooker is it's oval, and a lot of the pressure cookers that are popular out on the market now are round, so you can't get long pieces of meat in there. And I thought this would be great. Maybe we'll do a pressure cooker pulled pork and see how that comes out. But now let's unbox the Shamrock oval pressure cooker. So I just want to thank Shamrock for sending me this pressure cooker. You guys know we recently tested out the Shamrock mixer. It's a good little mixer. They also sent me this pressure cooker, and I thought it was really neat because not only is it non-stick, but it's oval. And that's a lot different than most of the pressure cookers that I'm used to. We can get a whole chicken in one of these bad boys. We can get a pork loin, a pork butt in here. We can do all kinds of stuff that we probably can't do in a regular round pressure cooker. Also, what's interesting about this is its voice command. So when you click on the buttons, it's going to talk to you and tell you what setting you're on. So let's unbox it and check it out. So I have my trusty X-Acto knife, and let's get this bad boy open. Oh, I should be experienced at this by now. Wow, this is a really big box. Okay, so here's our pressure cooker, and let's get this packaging off of here. And here's our lid. Wow, it's definitely oval. Cool. Awesome. Wow. It's very substantial. Here's our steam release. Here's our open, lock, and unlock. It does have our gasket in here like most pressure cookers do. Wow. Let me see if I can get this out of here. Wow, so this is a serious appliance here. Ooh, I like it. It's nice. So we have in here, we have a little rice paddle with a measuring cup. We have our Shamrock Electric Pressure Cooker manual. See if it has any recipes. This has a chart in here with cooking times for various foods. And, remove the sheet. Yeah, that would be good. And here's our cooking pot. This is really, really nice appliance. So we have our lid. And we'll place it to lock to get pressure on it. So it has a little voice command.
Slow cooking. Place food in the cooking pot according to recipe.
Sweet. So you can brown, you can steam.
On the pressure cooker and
tells you what to do. It has slow cooking, browning, steaming, warming, cooking status. So let me take the lid off real quick. And so you can just put it on brown.
Brown setting. Add a small amount of oil to the pot.
And you can brown stuff up before you pressure cook. I love.
Food in the cooking pot according to recipe.
I love the voice. I think that's really unique.
Keep lid off when browning.
Keep the lid off when browning, definitely.
The preset time is 30 minutes.
You can increase or decrease the time. So when you're going to pressure cook, you want to put your vent to pressure, and you're going to click pressure setting, and there's
Food in the cooking pot
3
according to
pressures.
recipe.
You can do high, medium, or low pressure.
Press the setting pressure button. The preset time is 15 minutes.
You can change the amount of pressure time here. And when you're ready to go, you'll hit start. And it's going to come up to pressure, and once it's up to pressure, then it will start counting down for your amount of time. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Shamrock for sending me this oval pressure cooker. We're going to put this to the test by making a nice pulled pork with a nice barbecue sauce that you guys seen me make before, homemade barbecue sauce. I really appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to using it. If you'd like to take a look at the Shamrock oval pressure cooker, I'll put a link to the Amazon page in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the little bell to turn on notifications so you'll know when I make a new upload. Also, visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook.